What in the world am I getting myself into?
Gotta get his leg back.
I've been pulled off a ledge.
Oh, he made it.
Right here, and I've been jumped 3 times while on wheel.
You gotta send it, bruh. Get tight. Get tight.
That's what I'm doing, Dad.
Get tight. Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God!
I felt the tire go over me. Oh my God! Again? How? How? I'm done.
All right, let's go.
I'm done. He's coming off. You're done.
I'm ready. Oh my God! Draw it up. I'll do 2 tricks. There you go.
Right out.
Oh yeah.
That's not fair.
1, 2, up. Very up. Very up. Yeah, 1.
Exclusive.
Oh, I hit him. I hit him.
Are you okay?
Oh,
Are you okay?
hit by the board.
Oh, we just pulled my brother off. If we get to 10,000 subscribers, we're gonna pull me.
I've been waiting for this moment all my life.
I'm gonna get some speed because my butt will hit.
Okay, here we go. You gotta pull him hard, don't you? Like really hard. All right, here we go, guys.
I'm stuck.
We're doing it, guys. Okay?
Help me.
You gonna be able to do it?
Maybe. Well, this is the moment y'all been waiting for. Y'all got me here too quick. So.
And me.
It happened pretty quick.
Don't forget me. I was
All right,
waiting
look,
for
This
this.
is your dream, right?
Yeah. He's going to be pulled off. He's going down like a rodeo clown. This is my dream.
Why is this your dream? This is
It's
a weird
all
dream.
the get back. It's all the get back.
It's a weird dream.
All get like.
He's gotta get his lick. Gotta get his lick back.
I've been pulled off a ledge right here, and I've been jumped 3 times while on wheel. I'm done.
All right, let's go.
I'm done. He's coming off. You're done.
I'm ready.
Pull it. You got it recording?
Yep.
All right, here we go. Pull top. I'm talking hard, bro. Here we go. Pull top. I'm talking hard, bro.
Oh my God!
You okay?
Ow, that hurt.
okay?
That hurt. I'm good. I'm good. I live.
Wait, we gotta do it again.
Yeah.
I don't think so.
Yeah.
My arms.
No, we did it
I
twice.
have my arms up here and they slam down.
I did it twice. Now you gotta do it
Let's do it
twice.
again. Do it one more time. Okay, here we go. Just goes. Round 2.
You ready? Ready?
Ready?
Ready?
Go. Oh, my foot.
You okay?
Oh, God. Go. Oh, my foot.
You okay?
Oh, God. Ow. Ow, God. Dude. Ow. Ow, God, dude. Ow.
Round 3.
You okay?
Oh, that hurt. I'm not gonna lie. Ow.
All right.
I don't know.
I don't know. This came out though.
You hurt?
Yeah. That hurt.
All right, tell everybody.
All right, round 3.
No, this
Shut
is it. Okay, close it out.
You got it.
All right, guys. Thank you for watching this video. We had 3 major games in this video. Thank you for watching to the end. Drop a like, subscribe. We got the wristbands. Go check out our store. Peace out.
Later.
You wanna go to the hospital?
Yes.
All right, let's go.
Let's go to the hospital.
Dude.
What in the world am I getting myself into? Here we go.
All right, guys. 20,000 subscribers, and we'll pull him off the ledge in the cart. But the catch is, it's got to be by Christmas.
Don't do it. Don't do it.
20,000 subscribers, and we'll pull him off the ledge in the cart. But the catch is, it's got to be by Christmas.
Don't do it. I'm not coming off the porch. I'm not.
So make sure you share this video, like it, and make sure the algorithm punches this out so we can get 20,000 subscribers by Christmas. Let's get it.
Let's go.
Let's go.